Hello students, today we are going to start our exercise number 77, which is based on the chapter Perimeter of Rectilinear Figures. We have already seen the formula, so we will directly start with the exercise. Question number 1. Find the perimeter of each of the figure given below. So we have here a triangle, and you know the formula for perimeter of triangle is sum of all the sides. So see here, you can see I have just added 6 plus 8 plus 9, and that is equals to 23. So perimeter of this triangle, hence perimeter of triangle is 23 centimeter. Okay, now we will see the next one. We have a figure which is a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides, so it is a quadrilateral. So perimeter is equals to sum of all sides just write down the values. So we have values is equals to 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 9. So here we have 7 plus 9 is equals to 16. 16 plus 6 will give us 22. 22 plus 5 will be 27. So 27 centimeter is the perimeter of this particular figure. Hence the perimeter will be 27 centimeter. Now we have a pentagon. So again the perimeter is equals to sum of all the sides is equals to 8 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5. Just add all the sides. 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 5 17, 17 plus 6 will give us 23, 23 plus 5 will be 28. So our answer will be 28 centimeters. Okay, so in this way you will solve this particular sum, question number 1. Now we will start with question number 2. Question number 2 is find the perimeter of each triangle whose sides are given below. So again same solution is there. Sides are 8 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So you will just add all the sides and you will get 8 plus 6 plus 5 is equals to 19 centimeter. Hence the perimeter of given triangle is 19 centimeter. Let us solve the next sum. Perimeter is equals to sum of all sides is equals to 7.6 plus 6.4 plus 5.2. Now first add the decimal part and you will get 4 plus 6 will be 10, 10 plus 2 will be 12. So 12 carry 1. 6 plus 6 will be 12. 12 plus 7 will be 19. So our answer will be 19.2 centimeter. Hence the perimeter is 19.2 centimeter. Okay. Next question is 4.8. We have the sides is equals to 4.8, 5.3 and 8.2. So sum of all the sides will be 4.8 plus 5.3 plus 8.2. It will give us 18.3 centimeter. Next dimensions are 6 plus 6, 7.3 and 8.5. So sum of all sides will be 6 plus 7.3 plus 8.5 will give us 21.8 centimeter. Hence the perimeter will be 18.3 centimeter. Let us move to the next question. Question number 3 is find the perimeter of an isosceles triangle. See, here we have isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means it will have two sides of same measure, each of whose equal sides measure 5.8. That means we have to add 5.8 two times because it is an isosceles triangle. And the length of whose third side is 7.5. So we have the sides is equals to 5.8, 5.8 and 7.5. So you will simply add these values and we will get 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 1 will be 21. 1 carry 2, 7 plus 2 will be 9, 9 plus 5 will be 14, 14 plus 5 will be 19. So our perimeter is 19.1 here. Next question, find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Now see, I have already taught you equilateral triangle means all the sides are same, and the formula for this will be sum of all the sides, or you can say 3 multiplied by side. So you will say perimeter of triangle is equals to 3 into side. So you will write 3 multiplied by 8.4. You can also write 8.4 plus 8.4 plus 8.4. Answer will be same. 3 4s are 12. Carry 1. 3 8s are 24 plus 1 will be 25. Only one decimal is there, so our answer will be 25.2 centimeter. This is the perimeter of this equilateral triangle whose side is 8.4 centimeter. Next question. The perimeter of a triangle is 16 centimeter and two of its sides measure 3.8 centimeter and 5.6 centimeter respectively. Find the third side. Again we know that the perimeter of triangle is nothing but sum of all the sides. We have the value of perimeter and we have the value of two sides. So we will just add these two sides and subtract it from perimeter, and we will get the answer for the measure of the third side. Okay. So here you can see the solution. Perimeter of triangle is equals to sum of all sides. Okay, so we have just put the value of perimeter, that is 16 centimeter over here, and the given sides are 3.8 and 5.6, and third side we have written as it is. So we will find its sum and we will get 9.4 sorry, and we will subtract this 16 from 9.4 and we will get the third side as 6.6 centimeter. So the measure of third side of a triangle is 6.6 centimeter. Question number 6. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 17.7 centimeter. Find the length of each side of a triangle. Again very easy. You know the formula. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is equals to 3 multiplied by side. So we have to find the side here. We will put the value of perimeter, that is 17.7, and 3 multiplied by side. And you already know if this 3 is in multiplication in RHS, then it will go in division in LHS when we shift it. So we will get 17.7 divided with 3 is equals to side. So let us divide this. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, remainder will be 2. Then decimal, then we will have 7 as a downside we will get 7, and we have 27 now. 3 9s are 27. So measure of side will be, side is equals to 5.9 centimeter. Okay, so the side of that equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 17.7, that will be 5.9 centimeter. Next question. Find the perimeter of each of rectangle with the following dimensions. Okay, again now we have the dimensions of rectangle here. You know the formula of perimeter of rectangle. The formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiplied by sum of length and the breadth. So we have directly written the formula and we will just put the values. And after solving this, 36 plus 29 will give us 65, and 65 multiplied by 2 will give us 130. Hence the perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. Now let us solve this one. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Let us put the values. 2 multiplied by 7 plus 5. Again you know the according to BODMAS we have to solve the bracket first. 7 plus 5 will give us 12. So 2 into 12 will be 24. That means the perimeter of this particular rectangle is 24 centimeters. Okay, in this way you will solve the remaining questions of this particular question. I will send you the PDF for writing. Now we will move to the next question. The perimeter of a rectangle is 110 centimeter and its length is 35 centimeter. What is the breadth of the rectangle? Again, very easy. You know the formula. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 multiplied by sum of length and the breadth, and we have the value of perimeter, so we will put it as it is, and instead of writing perimeter of the rectangle, we will write the formula. And this 2 is in multiplication here, it will go to the RHS and it will become it will go into division. So now we have length plus breadth is equals to half into 110. Okay, we will put the value of length, that is 35 centimeter, and we will divide 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, remainder will be 1, again 2 fives are 10. So we have got at in RHS is equals to 55 centimeter. So now for finding the value of breadth, what you will do, you will just shift this 35 from LHS to RHS, and as it is in the addition over here, it will become subtraction in the RHS, and we will subtract 35 from 55, and you will get the answer of the breadth is equals to 20 centimeter. Okay, now next one is the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 420 meters and its length is 120 meter. What is its breadth? Okay, this is homework for you. You will solve this question as we have solved the previous one. Okay, so this is homework, you have to solve it by your own. Next one, find the perimeter of square whose sides measures. So here measure of one side is given of a square, and you know that square has all the sides equal with the same length. So the formula for perimeter of the square is 4 into side. So in first case we have 45 centimeter. So we will find the perimeter by using 4 into 45, and 4 into 45 will give us 180 centimeter. Hence the perimeter of square is 180 centimeter. I will solve one for you, and rest of the 2 you will solve as a homework. Okay, so perimeter of square is equals to 4 into side. Just put the value of length of the side, that is 16 centimeter, and you know 16 fours are 64. So your perimeter will be 64 centimeter. Okay. Now see, we have one different kind of, actually it is same again, but we have the value in the decimals. So we have the measure of the square is equals to 3 meters and 25 centimeter, that is 3.25 meters. Okay, so you will simply multiply 4 with 3.25 and you will get the answer as 13 meter as the perimeter of that particular square, whose one side is 3.25 centimeters. Let's see the next question. The sides of triangular field is 35 meter, 60 meter and 110 meter. Find the length of a wire required to fence the field. I have already told you that whenever you have to find the length of the wire for fencing the field, you will find the perimeter. So we have 3 sides, that means this is and we are also given that the field is triangular in shape. So you know the formula for perimeter of triangle, that is sum of all the sides. We will simply add all the dimensions and we will get 205 meters as the perimeter, and that perimeter is nothing but the length of the wire required to fence the field. Okay. Next question. Next question is a rectangular picture frame. The photo is given in your textbook. Please refer that. The rectangular picture frame is 54 centimeter long and 36 centimeter wide. That means length is 54 and breadth is 36. What will be the length of the wooden frame required to make it? Again, here we have to make the wooden boundary. So we will find the perimeter. So you know the formula for perimeter of a rectangle, 2 into length plus breadth. Just put the values and you will get 180 centimeters. 180 centimeters wooden frame will be required to frame that particular picture. Right. Next one. A wall is built around a rectangular plot of length 63 meters and breadth 47 meters. Okay, find the cost of constructing the wall at rupees 130 per meter. Okay, so see, we have a rectangular plot. Okay, rectangular plot we have, like you can see here. You just refer this figure. So it is 63 meters and it is 47 meters. And now we have to build the wall over here. So again, we have to find the boundary. That is nothing but the perimeter of the rectangular plot. Okay, again you will put the formula, you will put the values of the dimensions given here, and we will find that the perimeter of the rectangular field is 220 meters. And we are also given with the cost to build it. Okay, so for 1 meter it cost 130 rupees. So we have to find for 220 meter how much it will cost. So simple, 130 multiply with 220 and you will get 28,600 rupees will cost for constructing that particular wall around that rectangular plot. Next question. Tanvi runs 3 times around a square field, each of whose sides measure 95 meters. How much distance does she run? So now we have a square field. Okay, Tanvi has a square field whose side is 95 meters. And what she is doing? She is running around this particular square. That means she is running around the boundary. So again we will find the perimeter of this square. You know the formula, 4 into side. That means if she runs one time, then she will cover 380 meter of distance. But how many rounds she is taking? She is taking 3 rounds. So we will multiply this 380 with 3 and we will find the distance covered Tanvi, the distance covered by the Tanvi. So see here, we have multiplied 3 with 380 and we have found that Tanvi runs a distance of 1140 meter. Okay. Last question of this exercise. The total length of fence around a square field is 308 meter. That means we are given with the value of perimeter here. Find the length of each side of the field. You know the formula, perimeter of square is 4 into side and we are given with the value of perimeter. So you will simply put the value of perimeter, that is 308 meter, and you will put the value put the formula as 4 into side. So this 4 will go to the RHS as divisor and you will get 308 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28, remainder will be 2. We'll take 8 down and we have 28 again. So 4 sevens are 28. So our answer is 77 meters. Hence the side of the square is 77 meter whose perimeter is 308 meters. Okay, so in this way you will solve this question. Complete your notebook on time, beta. Thank you.